Everyone, I want to talk to you about this product. We're going to have a thorough overview about this product, which is Blackstone 36 inches Griddle Gas BBQ. There is nothing quite like gathering friends and family around a sizzling griddle, and the Blackstone 36 inches gas griddle is built to make every outdoor meal an experience. With a massive 769 square inches of cooking space, this flat top grill gives you plenty of room. Cook everything from a hearty breakfast to a full dinner all at once. Whether it's pancakes in the morning, burgers at lunch, or stir fry for dinner, you will have the space and power to make it happen. Designed for convenience, the Blackstone Griddle features 4 adjustable heating zones, delivering a total of 60,000 BTU, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. The hinged hood protects your food from wind or unexpected weather, while the front shelf and dual foldable side shelves provide ample room to keep tools, sauces, and accessories within reach. Additional touches like a built-in paper towel holder, bottle opener, and a magnetic with hooks make this grill as practical as it is powerful. Mobility is easy due to 4 industrial strength wheels with 2 locking swivel casters to keep it steady when needed. Crafted from durable steel and measuring height of 104 by width 169, the dimension is 769 cm. This griddle is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, backyard chefs, and anyone who enjoys entertaining on a large scale. It is perfect for families, social gatherings, or even small catering events, where speed, space, and versatility matter. The electric push-button ignition ensures you are cooking a moment, and the thoughtful grease management system keeps cleanup simple and efficient. Blackstone 36 inches gas griddle is more than just a grill. It is a complete outdoor cooking solution with its expansive cooking area, powerful burners, and thoughtful design features. It delivers the tools you need to cook like a pro while enjoying time outdoors. Whether you are hosting a weekend brunch, a backyard barbecue, or a casual dinner, this griddle barbecue deserves your attention. Thank you, guys.